In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel refund on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can handle refund requests confidently and keep your shop running smoothly. First, open your TikTok Shop account. This is your seller dashboard where you manage everything related to your store. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and signed into the correct seller account. If you're on desktop, open your browser and go to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. If you're using the app, navigate to your shop area from your profile. Once you're in, you're ready to find the order and refund tools. Next, click Orders. This is the hub for all your activity: new orders, processing orders, shipped items, and completed ones. It's also where you'll find options related to cancellations and refunds. Taking a moment here to check order details can help you understand the context of any refund request, such as the item, the buyer, and the order timeline, before you take action. Then, click Manage Cancellations. This section groups all requests related to cancellations and refunds in one place. You'll see the list of orders where a buyer has asked for a refund or where a cancellation is being considered. Look for the request status and any notes from the buyer, which can be helpful when deciding what to do. Here's the key part. If someone has asked you for a refund and the request is valid, you can approve it directly from this page. Review the reason provided, check any evidence or messages, and confirm the approval so the process moves forward smoothly. On the other hand, if you determine the request isn't valid based on your policies and the order details, you can simply cancel the refund request. When you cancel, it's best to select the most accurate reason and add a brief, clear explanation. That makes it easier for the buyer to understand your decision and reduces back and forth. A couple of tips while you're here. Always double-check the order timeline, shipping confirmation, and any proof of delivery before deciding. Consistency with your store's refund policy helps protect your shop and sets clear expectations for buyers. If you need to provide more context, you can follow up with a polite message to the buyer so they know what happened and what to expect next. That's it. Open your TikTok Shop account, click Orders, go to Manage Cancellations, then either approve a valid refund or cancel it when it doesn't meet your policy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage refunds with confidence.